Hello everyone! If your Telegram account has been hacked and you lost access to it, well, don't panic because I'll guide you the step-by-step process to recover it and secure your data. So you can regain control and protect your account from future attacks. First one is to contact the Telegram support center. In order to do that, let's open web browser and search for Telegram support. Since I have it already, let's click the official website. Now here you need to describe the specific problem, like for example, my account has been hacked and I can't access my Telegram. Afterwards, you need to enter your full legal name, your email address, and your phone number together with your country's code, and then click submit button. After that, the support team will contact you via email or phone number you provided within 48 hours. Then you should gain back your account within 48 hours. Additional tips. Once you recover your account back, you must use complex password, enable two-factor authentication, and refrain clicking any links in order for you to secure your future accounts. Alright, if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.